everyone, welcome back to my channel. So the previous video was about electric field intensity. So here we are seeing the problems related to electric field intensity. Okay, so when something problem like this is given, calculate the field intensity at a point 2 meters from the origin if the positive charge of 10 microcoulombs is placed at the origin. So just starting, write the given condition. Given he gave charge is 10 microcoulombs. Micro means 10 into 10 power minus 6 coulombs. Okay, micro is 10 power minus 6. Next he gave the point, it is in distance. Okay, so distance is given by the letter R, right? R is 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters. He gave, meters, 2 meters. Okay, next is we know the electric field intensity formula. Electric field intensity E is given by Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R square into U R Newton Coulomb. These are the units. Okay, this is electric field. Substituting all these values, E is equal to Q is 10 into 10 power 6 minus 6 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R is 2 square into UR. Okay, we know 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught value, that is 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 8.854 into 10 power minus 12. Okay, if you solve this, the answer is 9 into 10 power 9. Okay, this whole value is 9 to 10. So just remember this, anywhere in this problem that value is 9 to 10 power 9. So just substituting that over here, this one in this equation. So 9 into 10 power 9 into 10 into 10 power minus 6, this one, divided by 2 square and C. Okay, Newton coulombs. So this value, E value is around, you just do it in your calc, you will get it. I am writing it directly into 10 power 4 into UR, here also into UR Newton coulombs. Okay, this is electric field intensity formula. How to solve this kind of problems. Okay, so the next question is calculate the field intensity the point 1, 2, 3 due to a charge of 10 nanocoulombs at 2, 3, 4. That means he is giving 2 points over here for us. Okay, and he's also giving us the charge. So just start writing where the given condition. Okay, given is Q first. Q is 10 nanocoulombs. Nano is 10 into 10 power minus 9 coulombs. Okay, at a point 2, 3, 4. So this we are considering it as A. Okay, where he is giving you the charge at which point, that point is considered as A, not this one. Okay, remember this. This is a mistake what we do generally. So at A, so A point is 2, 3, 4. Alright, and the point P is 1, 2 and 3. So we'll consider, let E denote the field intensity at P. Field intensity at P, point P, this point P. Okay, so that is, we can write as RP is the, I will take this in the unit vector format, 1 ux, this one, 1 ux plus 10 uy plus 3 uz. Similarly, RA value is, converting this, 2 ux plus 3 uy plus 4 uz. Now RAP distance we will find out. RAP means distance value anytime for this RP minus RA. If you take RAB, then that is RB minus RA. Remember, okay? So this is RP minus RA. So this will be RP minus 1 minus 2 ux, 2 minus 3 uy, 3 minus 4 uz. So this became minus 1, okay, or just ux. This 1 ux, this also minus 1 uy minus 1 uz. This is RAP. Okay, this is RAP. Next, if you want to find the magnitude of RAP, magnitude of RAP, that is square root of this one, minus 1 square plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 square. So that is nothing but square root of 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is root 3. Alright, this is our AP value. Next is unit vector. Unit vector along RAP. Like for all the problems how we did right from the first chapter, same thing here also, same steps. Okay, UAP is equal to RAP by modulus of RAP. Modulus of RAP is nothing but magnitude of RAP, which we just got, just did, right? Root 3, that will substitute here. RAP we just did this also, minus 1 ux minus 1 uy minus 1 uz divided by root 3. Okay, so this you got. Now we will find this is unit vector UAP. Alright, just keep it. In the exam also, you just highlight it with these boxes and all. So when the evaluator, when he's evaluating your paper, when he'll see this, he'll directly understand, okay, this is what he got. Next step by step for easy correction also, it will be, he'll have a good impression on your paper. Okay, try these little tricks. Okay, so now we'll find field intensity. That is E is Q by 4 pi epsilon naught RAP, because we are taking AP point, right? That's why UAP. So this is Q, he gave 10 into 10 power minus 9 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught value. I already told you, remember this as 9 into 10 power 9. Okay, into RAP is root 3 whole square. UAP is this one. Okay, just writing this, minus 1 ux minus 1 uy minus 1 uz divided by root 3. So this 4 by this is, I told you, 9 into 10 power 9 into this term. This is this 10 power 1. That means when basic powers can be added. So that will be 1 minus 9 is 10 power minus 8. This 3 cancel, divided by 3 into, okay, minus 1 ux minus 1 uy minus 1 uz divided by root 3. Alright, solve this in your calci and all. 3 1s are 3 3s are, and the answer is 30 into, okay, minus 1 ux minus 1 uy minus 1 uz divided by root 3. Okay, so if you multiply this and divide by root 3, multiply this by you will get the answer as E is, I'm just writing it directly, you can do in your calci or just can keep till here also in your exam. Okay, so this value is minus 17.32 ux minus 17.32 uy minus 17.32 uz Newton Coulomb. Okay, this is electric field intensity when 2 points are given according to the question, right? He gave 2 points. This is how you have to solve this kind of questions. Okay, we'll see the next topic in the upcoming videos. I think this is clear. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Also, if you want me to teach any other topic also, let me know in the comment section. I think this is clear. If anyone haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thanks.